everyone, this is Angel Zhou from Best Machine China. Thank you for watching our video. We wish to introduce you our CCM 003S curved cutting machine material saving type. Yes, material saving type. It is different from regular curved cutting machine. This machine, it will help customer to save the wooden veneer during the curved cutting process. The regular way of installation will have more wastage. Our company keeps machine innovation all the time. We have developed the latest material saving type curved cutting machine that can enable you to install 4 pieces of blades at one time. From this video, you can see that there are 2 pieces of blade support in front of this machine. 2 pieces of blade is installed in front. At another side, it is also 2 pieces of blade with the blade handle directly installed on the machine itself, so totally 4 pieces. This machine can enable customer to saving 30% of the wooden veneer during the curved cutting process. For this machine, because it installed 2 pieces of blade support, the machine itself, the width is wider than regular type of curved cutting machine. It is widened type. We also have another type of curved cutting machine, which is also material saving type. The difference from previous machine is that it only installs 1 piece of blade support in front of this machine, and the machine another side installed 1 piece, so total 2 pieces at one time. The wooden veneer width of feeding is narrower than the widened type. It is the effect. Welcome to contact us for more detailed information. If you are interested to set up wooden spoon, fork, and knife production line, don't hesitate to contact us. We will offer you the most high-quality machine and the most professional service. Thank you.